This question is from CSE 2021. What is blue carbon? Option is carbon captured by oceans and coastal ecosystems, carbon sequestrated in forest biomass and agricultural soils, carbon contained in petroleum and natural gas, carbon present in atmosphere. If you know the definition of what is blue carbon, then this question is very easy. So let's decode it first. Carbon captured and stored by ocean and coastal ecosystem is known as blue carbon, and these oceans and coastal ecosystem is very efficient at carbon sequestration, and these are example of ocean and coastal ecosystem: mangrove forest, seagrass meadows, salt marshes, coastal sediments. These oceans basically absorb 25 to 30% of global CO2 emission each year as per IPCC report. Mangrove store carbon 3 to 4 times more than other tropical forests, and these mangrove also store carbon at a faster rate, 4 to 5 times faster than other tropical forests. These mangrove found basically in Sundarbans, Mahanadi Delta. Seagrass meadows is basically underwater grass ecosystem, and these basically found in Gulf of Mannar, Andaman and Nicobar. Coastal wetlands with salty grassland is known as salt marshes. For example, Pulicat Lake. कोस्टल सेडिमेंट्स एंड मड फ्लैट्स बेसिकली एक्ट एज ए लॉन्ग टर्म कार्बन सिंक. यहाँ पे देखिए मरीन प्लांट, अलगी एंड माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म जब सेडिमेंट के अंदर दब जाते हैं, देन ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इनका एनएरोबिक डिकम्पोजिशन होता है जो कि स्लो होता है. Carbon captured and stored by forest biomass is known as green carbon, while carbon captured and stored by agricultural soil is known as solid organic carbon. यहाँ पे देखिए plant through root exudate, they transfer liquid carbon to the soil. Okay, या फिर soil store carbon in the form of humus. ये क्या होता है, जब क्रॉप रेसिड्यू या फिर डेड प्लांट जो होते हैं, जब उनका एरोबिक डिकम्पोजिशन होता है, देन दे ट्रांसफॉर्म इनटू ह्यूमस. और ये जो सॉइल होते हैं वो इन दे स्टोर कार्बन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इधर ह्यूमस और इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लिक्विड कार्बन. सो ये जो लिक्विड कार्बन है या एंड ह्यूमस है, दे आर द कंपोनेंट ऑफ सॉलिड ऑर्गेनिक कार्बन. Carbon stored in the form of petroleum and natural gas is known as black carbon. So correct answer is option A. Carbon captured by oceans and coastal ecosystem is known as blue carbon.